Hey everybody, welcome to the theme park today. It's Kurt. I am here at Disneyland and I'm going to show you my #1 trick for Disneyland that you need to know that literally nobody does, and it's going to save you so much time. So let's get started and we're going to find out what it is. I'm here in Galaxy's Edge today. I'm filming a bunch of videos, so if you liked it, Galaxy's Edge at Disneyland, or if you've never been, or if you want to know about it, subscribe to our channel because there's a bunch of stuff coming out. But my #1 tip, the thing that nobody takes advantage of at Disneyland that saves you infinite amount of time, is mobile ordering your food. There are so many locations throughout Disneyland. I'm sure I could guess at least 40. That might be shooting it high. At least 25, we'll say to be conservative. Locations where you can mobile order your food, and even places where you think you can't, you probably can. We're gonna mobile order some Black Calf Cold Brew from Docking Bay 7, right here in Galaxy's Edge. And we're just gonna wait until it's ready, and then on the app, we're gonna say, oh, I'm here, we're gonna pick it up. And then we're gonna pick it up and we're gonna skip this entire line that I'll show you right now. Every restaurant that has a mobile order will have either 2 entrances or 2 lines that you can either go to. There's your main entrance and then there's a mobile order entrance. You always wanna look for the little mobile order symbol and where it's directing you to go. Now, let me show you why mobile ordering is gonna save you so much time. So we are gonna walk into the normal line for Docking Bay 7 right now. It's lunchtime, it's 11:42, and this is where the line starts. So it goes all the way up there. So from here, I want to say this is probably at least a 15-minute wait. If not, maybe a little longer, depending on how many people are checking people out or taking orders up at the front. So this could be like a 15 to 20-minute wait to just order your food, let alone to receive your food and find a spot to eat it. And more people came in behind me, so now the line's even longer. All right, well, that's what you don't want to do. So for Docking Bay 7, that mobile order symbol is a little hidden, but it's right here on the left-hand side. So you're gonna look for this symbol no matter where you mobile order, and then you're gonna walk. There's our QR code. Anyway, sorry, you're gonna walk through these doors and pick up your mobile order at the counter with that same symbol when it's ready. All right, so we mobile ordered my coffee earlier in the day. So I'm gonna walk through the mobile order line, and I'm gonna wait until it says I'm here and then pick it up. All right, so on the app I said that I am here, it's ready, and we are gonna walk up to the mobile order line and pick up our mobile order. And right now there is only one person who is getting their mobile order right now, compared to that line that we literally just walked past right over here. So we're gonna walk up, there's gonna be a little mobile order sign on the counter behind this person in front of me, and then we're gonna pick up our food right here on the right-hand side. Hi, 9993.
Per cart?
Yep.
All right, your one cold brew is going to be this one.
Thank you. All right, let me show you how to mobile order. We're gonna open the Disneyland app, and now there's multiple ways that we can do this, okay? This is gonna be like the first thing that comes up. So what I like to do, because I know where the restaurants are and it's easier for me, and I go to the map, and I hit dining, and I look for this right here, this mobile order location symbol, this like phone with the forks, and I'm just gonna click on that and mobile order what I want. The other way that you can do it, and while you're in the map, actually, before I get too ahead of myself, while you're in the map, you can go to locations and say I wanna like order something later in the day, right? And I'm gonna go to Park Hop and I'm gonna go to California Adventure. So I can click California Adventure and apply, and it's gonna bring me to all the places here. Now, if I wanna specifically mobile order, I can also hit up here, I can hit mobile orders, and it will show me all the places that I can mobile order at throughout the entire park. Now I will say, try to mobile order from quick service restaurants over stands, or anywhere that you think is not gonna be super busy, like the milk stand that we're gonna order from right now, just as like an example thing. There really isn't a line. There was nobody in line when I sat down here, and then now there's maybe like 6 people in line, but still you don't really have to wait. Mobile order on the Disneyland app. Walk up, grab it, and leave. It's gonna save you so much time. Okay, so now that we're not gonna do this and we're actually gonna put in a mobile order for Galaxy's Edge. So here's the milk stand. I'm gonna hit mobile order, begin order. So now until 12:15. So now there's actually more people in line. So we would be waiting in the sun for probably a solid 5 minutes. So we're just gonna hit now until 12:15. Here's everything. Oh, what is a polystarch puff bread? Pastry with a country sweet streusel shell. That's fun. And so it gives you all the options. So just like I didn't know that they had this little puff bread thing. You might find things that sound more interesting than what you were gonna get while waiting in line. Green milk with red lichen patty frog eggs. Green milk and pineapple topped with cherry flavored popping spheres. Interesting. I don't want that, but it sounds good. They used to have like a tahini version of the green milk. All right, we're gonna get the blue milk. Add to mobile order. That's all I want, so view my order. Oh, they're really pushing that polystarch puff bread. Oh, I don't want to add more items, sorry. View, review, and it's gonna give me my total. So even though I have a magic key, it's not gonna let me use a discount on this stand. So my total is gonna come to my total is gonna come to $9.67, no, $9.69. I'm gonna check out with Apple Pay. All right, and then once I pay, it's gonna say now because my order time is now, but if your order time wasn't right now, it would tell you when your order time was, like when you could hit I'm here, prepare my order. But because I can do it right now, I'm just gonna hit I'm here, prepare my order, and we're gonna see how long it takes. Shouldn't be too long, because now there's no line. So that was like if we had gotten in line right then, it probably would have been like a 4-minute wait. So not terrible. So like I said, I probably wouldn't have used mobile order on this in like a normal situation, but just so you can see how to do it. Look at that, took less than a minute. And we're ready. All right, so now you can see that I have an order number, 3472. So we're gonna go up to the mobile order entrance, which is not, oh, that's the ground, which is not this main entrance. We're not gonna enter here. We're gonna enter, oh, maybe, do we? What does it say? Do we still go through here? I guess so. What's the point of having mobile order here? I'm so confused. Oh, mobile order pickups on the side. Excuse me, sorry. Okay, so honestly, good thing I'm doing this because I didn't know that this was over here. All right, so right here, enter, you're not gonna go into the normal line. You're gonna come all the way around to the left-hand side where these umbrellas are, and there's our little sign, mobile order pickup. Right here, and we're gonna wait to be helped.
Mobile order?
Hi, yeah, 3472. Thank you, you too. And that's simple. Now we have our blue juice, blue milk, blue juice milk. Okay, one more little tip about mobile ordering is that you can also change your arrival time. So that's what I did with this one up here. I moved it to 12:50 because I had a little mishap this morning. I made a reservation for the wrong park. Anyways, I was able to move it, but I kind of want it now. So if I'm able to change my arrival window, I hit that. Oh, and I can. So I can move it earlier to 12:35, which I'm gonna do, because then I'll be able to go home. So now, easy as that, I want it earlier, 12:35 to 12:50. I feel like I keep getting wet sitting here. Anyways, so sorry. If I wanted it later, right? Like if I wasn't ready to eat now, or if I wasn't hungry, or if I wasn't in an area, I could change my arrival window to whatever they have later in the day. The beauty of mobile order, I promise it will save you so much time, and it is so much easier to plan out what you're eating and when you're eating so you don't get hangry like me. Thanks for watching. Me tell you that my biggest tip and trick when you're coming to Disneyland is to utilize mobile ordering. For real, I've been coming to Disneyland for a long time. Busy days, not busy days. It is the most underutilized aspect, in my opinion, of the Disneyland app, and the feature of Disneyland that will save you the most time, other than Lightning Lane. All right, well, again, thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this from many theme parks around the world, and I'll see you next time. Okay, love you, bye.